Welcome to this guided meditation focused on breath awareness. The aim of our time together is to clear your mind and enhance your focus. By turning your attention to your breath, you can cultivate greater mental clarity and calmness. Let's begin this journey inward. First, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. This will help minimize distractions and create a peaceful space for yourself, fostering a sense of ease and openness. Now, direct your attention to your breath. Notice the sensations as the air enters and exits your body. Feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. Allow yourself to explore how your body moves effortlessly with each breath. Your breath is a constant support, guiding you toward a clearer mind. Embrace this connection as we continue. Let's practice some intentional breathing techniques together. Inhale deeply, allowing your abdomen to expand fully. Now exhale gently, contracting your stomach and releasing any tension. Try to match the length of your inhales and exhales, creating a soothing rhythm. Slow your breath down, letting each inhale and exhale deepen your sense of calm and relaxation. It's completely natural for thoughts to arise during meditation. If you notice your mind wandering, gently remind yourself that this is part of the process. Instead of clinging to those thoughts, let them drift away. Each time you catch a distraction, kindly guide your focus back to your breath. This practice of returning to your breath helps cultivate mindfulness and deepens your experience. As we continue, focus on the sensations in your body. Notice if you feel heavier or lighter. Embrace these sensations as part of your journey. With practice, clarity will naturally emerge, leading to deeper states of relaxation and awareness. Trust in this process, allowing your breath to guide you. Slow your breath down, letting each inhale and exhale deepen your sense of calm and relaxation. As we gently approach the end of our meditation, begin to bring awareness back to your body. Roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a moment to express gratitude for the peace and clarity you've cultivated today. Savor this feeling before transitioning back to your surroundings. Remember to take your time as you reintegrate into the present moment. In summary, today's meditation emphasized the significance of breath awareness in achieving mental clarity. By focusing on your breath, you enhance your overall well-being. I encourage you to practice regularly to fully experience these benefits. If you found this session helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with others who may also benefit from this content. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to our next session together.